Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create custom brushes in Affinity Studio. The first thing I want you to do is make sure you have access to Pixel Studio. If you don't have it right here, what I want you to do is click on these three dots to open up Studio Manager and make sure Pixel is toggled on. And then after that, what I want you to do is come here on the right hand panel and I want you to click on this down arrow and then click here on panels. Now here under panels, I want you to scroll down until you see brushes and make sure it is toggled on. And then you can close this and come right here. You'll see different brush options. What I want you to do is click on this down arrow here, and then you can go ahead and create a new brush. So we have new intensity brush, round brushes, square, image brushes as well. I'll click on new round brush right here. And then what I want you to do is I want you to go ahead and change things like its size, its opacity, and flow, among others. You can go ahead and adjust these right here. Just make sure you are using the paintbrush tool. You can press B on your keyboard to go ahead and use it. You can rename this if you want. Just right click on it and then click on rename brush and name it anything you want. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out as well.